This will be the introduction to my unit design project for class EDED 5376, Pedagogical Methods. I will be focusing on the fifth grade level. My subject will be science. My topic will focus on force, motion, and energy. The time duration will be 4 instructional days and 1 test day. The TKE for 5th grade science I will be focusing on will be 5.6 A, B, C, and D. That includes force, motion, and energy. The student knows that energy occurs in many forms and can be observed in cycles, patterns, systems. The student is expected to A, explore the uses of energy, including mechanical, light, thermal, electric, and sound energy. B, demonstrate the flow of electricity in closed circuits can produce light, heat, or sound. C, demonstrate that light travels in a straight line until it strikes another object and is reflected or travels through one medium to another and is refracted. And D, design a simple experiment investigation that tests the effect of force on an object. I will be implementing lessons for each one of those subjects for 5.6. My general code for my unit design will be students will have a general understanding of the different types of energy forms and be able to distinguish them from each other. Students will also be able to understand the production of light, heat, or sound via electricity. My rational goals will be students will use a variety of worksheets, hands-on activities, and small projects to gain an understanding of force, motion, energy, and their properties. My first lesson plan will focus on students will apply their knowledge on the subject via matching the correct words with the correct pictures. And that will be based on the TEK-A. Lesson 2 will focus on TEK 5.6b. Students will distinguish between correct and incorrect forms of closed and open circuit electricity. Lesson 3 will focus on 5.6c. Students will conduct an experiment using flashcards, modeling clay, and flashlights to determine the visual properties of light. Lesson number 4 will focus on 5.6d. Students will use different marbles to measure force travel down a ramp with a ruler. Each one of those lessons will have a unit exam at the end of each lesson. The unit exam will include portions of the first handout from lesson 1, lesson 2, and questions involving lesson 3 and 4.